The TITAN-CRX-EVK is an evaluation kit that helps designers evaluate the operation and performance of the TITAN-CRX-8. The TITAN-CRX-EVK includes two TITAN-CRX-8 core modules, one TITAN-CRX-EVB evaluation board, and one NEMA 17 stepper motor with an encoder. The evaluation kit also includes the TITAN-CRX-EVB schematics in PDF format and the bill of materials in Excel format. The size of the TITAN-CRX-EVB is 140 by 110 millimeters. The 34-pin and 50-pin headers are for mounting the TITAN-CRX-8. The TITAN-CRX-EVB has two power inputs, one for logic power and the other for motor power, both with a power input range of 24-volt DC. There are pins for accessing the 5 and 3.3 volt. The 4-pin connector is for connecting a stepper brushless DC or voice coil motor. The 3-pin connector is available for RS-485 communication with a 115K baud rate. The Mini-B USB connector uses the virtual serial communication driver, allowing for easy interface with Windows, Linux, or Mac. The serial communication lines used in RS-485 and USB are also available to access through these pins. The SPI signals are for Ethernet-based communication. The first 15-pin D-sub connector is used for the differential encoder signal inputs and Hall inputs. The second 15-pin D-sub connector is used for 8 digital inputs, 3 digital outputs, and 1 analog input. The TITAN-CRX-EVB has 8 digital input display LEDs and 3 digital output display LEDs along with dip switches to trigger the digital inputs. For the analog input, you can install the jumper and use the built-in potentiometer to test the analog input. Lastly, there are 3 RGB lights that can be controlled from the TITAN-CRX-8. We hope this video gave a good idea of all the capabilities of the TITAN-CRX-EVK. For the manual of the evaluation kit, please check out the website for download. If there is any question, please contact our support team at support@arcusservo.com.